Mr. Mrinal Chaudhary, corporate trainer, motivational speaker, and transformational coach.
We are really, really gratified, elated. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you everyone here. I'm loving the conversations as well, ma'am.
Yes.
Absolutely. Pleasure to be here.
Likewise, it's honored to have you here, sir. And this is the first education talk show presented by National Education Forum. And you're the corporate trainer, motivational speaker, and transformation coach. Wow. So can you enlighten us with your beautiful journey as a transformation coach and motivational speaker?
Absolutely. When I'm talking about transformation coach,
Right.
or when I'm talking about motivational speaker, it is
Right.
not about just delivering inspiring lectures,
Right.
but it's
Right.
about going beyond that and
Correct.
understanding where the root of the problem is. As
Right.
many of the stage speakers were talking about various problems and how parents will have also to be included in the whole coaching journey.
Whole journey.
I'll give you an example. Now, I have been a corporate employee. I was working in the IT industry.
Okay.
And so one fine day, now this was during the COVID times.
Right.
One fine day, we all were working from home.
Right.
So one fine day, the meeting was scheduled at somewhere around 8:39 a.m.
Right.
And it was a very important meeting.
Right.
I could not wake up.
Right.
I missed it.
Right.
And so it affected me mentally.
Right.
And then I burst it out on my parents somehow.
Right.
My mother was like, "What do you want for breakfast?" I just said, "Just make whatever
Yes,
you want."
yes.
And then when my father came to me to talk, I was not very polite because I was very disturbed.
Correct.
And then what I realized was, because of that conversation which I had with my parents,
Correct.
like my elder brother has a little kid, my father, in his conversation with his grandson,
Right.
now he made a certain remark,
Correct.
or probably he was angry,
Right.
or he told him not to do things certain way, which was not correct. But then I was realizing who started it.
Yes.
If I had a better emotional control,
Correct.
if I had a better control on my own emotions, if I would have handled that situation
Right,
better
right.
and not let it out on somebody else, even if it is as close to me,
Correct,
sometimes we
correct,
take people for
correct,
granted.
Correct.
Now that thing would not have gone, eventually passed down to a kid, for
Right,
example.
right.
So a lot of times when we are talking about the coaching of or maybe mentoring of the parents, we have
Exactly.
to understand where it is beginning from.
Exactly. It's a mental infection also. If you're mentally not stable, that infection is spreading.
It is spreading all around, and it
Exactly.
is not just easy for parents to say, okay, we as parents, okay, we'll read a to-do book, and this is how we are going to. Because there are thousands of possibilities that can come up.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So it is not easy to capture all the possibilities, but
Correct.
one thing which I really stress on in my workshops and everything is
Right.
how do I take emotional control of myself?
Yes.
Because I, as a human, don't want to enslave my emotions to anybody.
Right.
I have, as not only humans can do this, by the way.
Yes.
You and me are sitting here as humans.
Right.
If I have, for example, I like rasagullas here.
Correct.
If I have a plate of rasagullas,
Correct.
I don't have to jump on it and just eat it. I have my consciousness, I have my awareness.
We have conscious response.
Absolutely. Conscious response is the need of the hour. And how much of it can we extend that conscious response to every situation in our life
Correct.
will determine the quality of not only our lives but also those around us.
Correct.
You know, all of us are aware probably of that term butterfly effect.
Yes.
A butterfly
Yes.
flapping its wings
Yes.
somewhere
Yes.
in one
Yes.
continent
Yes.
has repercussions in some other continent.
On a continent.
And that
Right.
is what is so true in our human interactions as well.
Exactly.
Even me interacting here, me interacting with anybody else here.
Correct.
Now, somebody, let's say somebody abuses me, let's say. And let's say somebody gives me a bad word and I don't have any emotional control on myself. I get into a fight. I create a whole bad scene here. It affects somebody else.
Correct.
It affects them at home. It
Right.
creates a chain of reaction.
Right.
So the point is we do not take this how do I put this more effectively? We do not take this very significantly,
Correct.
but that emotional management, that inner management,
Yes,
is
it's
very
so important.
and especially in today's times,
Yes.
when there is a
So
when
much
there's
of stress, so much of cutthroat competition. Nobody's caring about the mental holistic approach.
yes, exactly. And why is there so much of stress?
Correct.
Because we all want success without
Right.
knowing probably what success is.
Exactly. Exactly.
is
the essence of success?
essence of success is lost.
Absolutely.
So that is my work basically.
Right.
I mean, it's not just corporates.
Right.
I also tie up with educational institutes and
Wonderful.
other institutes.
Wonderful.
And there, see, students are taught mostly what there is in the syllabus.
Mhm.
And of course, extracurricular activities are there, which is wonderful. But how many of us are thinking to go beyond the syllabus and even the extracurricular activities?
Correct.
And it's not just about how much, of course, today we have gone ahead and we are not caring, I mean, today still parents care a lot about marks, but it's how much of control, that emotional control, emotional quotient, how much do we build it in the student right from the start?
Very true. We have to be emotionally immune. Where is the immunity? We are so conscious about physical immunity booster,
exactly.
but where is the immunity?
Everyone is going to the gym.
Yes, yes.
But where is your mental gym? Where is your
immunity.
emotional gym?
Absolutely.
And that is very important to build it right at the start.
Correct. Correct.
Because there are so many things in the life that can happen,
True.
and as parents or as any well-wisher, you will not have full control on the situations.
Right.
So it is very important to have that inculcated in your
Inculcated in your mind. Absolutely, as Swami Vivekananda said in Raj Yoga, that we should control our mind. Mind should not control us. That's
yes,
very
absolutely. That's the whole point.
Absolutely.
When we try to go within,
Right.
when you realize there's a power within you
Correct.
that is far greater than the power,
Far greater.
Far greater.
Infinite power we have inside.
then you are the master of your mind. And when you are the master of your mind, then your
Right.
mind does not control you. That is the change we have to bring.
Correct.
Today, because of the society we have created, the mind has become everything.
Exactly.
You know, probably who has how much knowledge.
Right.
You know, the more eloquent you speak,
Correct.
the more
Correct.
knowledge you have.
Correct. Correct.
Or the deeper pockets you have, that
Correct.
is the kind of respect you
Right,
demand.
right,
But nobody is
right.
talking about the emotional quotient.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
And that is very important. That's what I'm trying to drive.
And we have, that's the state where if we have the control, the mind will excel and we can think out of the box.
Yes, absolutely.
For that, we have to have complete control of our mind. Complete is very
control.
difficult. At least try as far as possible. Very true. So important, you said. Finally, sir, your take on EdTalk and National Education Forum.
Well, first of all, I really wish I was here since morning because whatever speeches I heard in the last 1-2 hours,
Correct.
I'm really amazed and I'm really happy that I'm a part of this forum and good wishes to the world.
Likewise, likewise. It's our pleasure and honor to have you, sir, on board here.
Thank you.
And yeah, so many connoisseurs like you and so many luminaries from different walks of life to truly blessed today and enlightened today. This is God's blessings, sure. Absolutely.
It was really wonderful listening to you, Miran sir. And really, I was thinking that this part, the emotional control part, the emotional reactions what we are having, we have to take so much of control of your own life. You have to keep your remote always with yourself, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So I think the gist is that you need to have the remote control. Whatever happens
Yes,
outside,
exactly. Take
the
the
remote
remote
control of your life should be there within yourself, so that you can face all the challenges and all the whatever is happening around without even a wrinkle on your face.
I'll just take 1 minute.
Yeah.
Imagine, because you mentioned remote control, imagine this screen
Right.
keeps on doing its own things, playing
Yeah.
things on its own. How problematic would it be? But because
Exactly.
we can control it, that's why it's beautiful.
Right.
That's the same thing with our mind. If we can control it, it's beautiful.
True, true.
Otherwise, it's
Well,
huge
such a
problem.
We would
wonderful
like to conduct lots and lots of workshops with the teenagers in the colleges, because our age group, not only the small children, but the age group of the teens, as well as they really don't know what they are doing, why they are doing, what, why and how of what they are doing. Apart from the teachers, leave, teachers ko chhod do, but really anyone who is going to a discotheque, wasting the time, doesn't know why I'm going. I'm just enjoying, I'm just feeling good. But just feeling good se nikal ke what is your emotional quotient and how you are utilizing your time. Utilizing your time wo to baad mein hoga, but before that you should have the remote control. That my friend is saying ki ab chalo yahan, your another friend is saying, bullying you, that oh, that person is not smart enough. For the teenagers I'm saying. So you have to have, everybody of us, National Education Forum, we have such a wonderful speakers that yes, one more important thing we learned today, that please keep the remote control of your life in your purse and hidden. And don't show it or give it to anybody else, whether it is even your husband or your wife or your partner or your boyfriend or anybody. Keep it for yourself, and please have that dignity inside you, how you are going to keep the emotional quotient proper in yourself. Then the education will come. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We are really honored to have you, and we are conducting many workshops with you, sir. Wonderful speaker of the day. Really, you are really wonderful.